channel DP Coder. Now we will discuss introduction to SQL and about the SQL. Agenda of our video is what is database, introduction of SQL, types of SQL, SQL commands, SQL features and benefits. Now let's start the video. What is database? Firstly, we will discuss what is data. Suppose you want to keep track of a business customers. You assign a record for each customer. Each record has multiple attributes such as name, address and telephone number, individual names, addresses and so on are the data. Database. A database is nothing more than a set of related information. The database stores metadata in an area called the data dictionary, which describes the tables, columns, indexes, constraints, and other items that make up the database. DBMS. It stands for Database Management System. It is a software for organizing data. For example, SQL, MySQL, Oracle, etc. If you want to install the DBMS, so you can see our previous video. Introduction of SQL. The first thing to understand about SQL is that SQL isn't a procedural language as are Fortran, Basic, C, COBOL, Pascal and Java. SQL is non-procedural. To solve a problem using SQL, simply tell SQL what you want, as if you were talking to Aladdin's genie instead of telling the system how to get you what you want. The database management system decides the best way to get you what you request. The SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL was originally developed to operate on data in databases that follow the relational model. SQL is an industry standard language specifically designed to enable people to create databases, add new data to databases, maintain the data, and drive selected parts of the data. SQL is a flexible language that you can use in a variety of ways. It's the most widely used tool for communicate with a relational database. Types of SQL: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. SQL commands: Data Definition Language (DDL). Under this, the create command. Create command used to create a new table in database. As you can see the syntax of this on the screen. Drop. It is used to delete both the structure record stored in the table. Alter. It is used to alter the structure of the database. Truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Data Manipulation Language (DML). Insert. The insert statement is a SQL query. It is used to insert data into the row of a table. Update. This command is used to update or modify the value of a column in the table. Delete. It is used to remove one or more row from a table. Next is DCL, Data Control Language. DCL commands are used to grant and take back authority from any database user. Grant. It is used to give user access privileges to our database. Revoke. It is used to take back permission from the user. TCL, Transaction Control Language. TCL commands can only use with DML commands like insert, delete and update only. Commit command is used to save all the transactions to the database. Rollback. transactions that have not already been saved to the database. Data query language DQL. DQL is used to fetch the data from the database. Select. This is the same as the projection operation of the relational algebra. It is used to select the attribute based on the condition described by where clause. If you want to perform these commands in a practical mode, so you can see our previous video, which link is given on description. SQL features and benefits. SQL is both an easy to understand language and comprehensive tool for managing data. Here are some features or benefits of the SQL: relational foundation, vendor independence, SQL standards, Microsoft Commitment ODBC, interactive ad hoc queries, portability across computer systems. Thank you so much for watching this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.